guys, welcome back to another episode of Tuned Engines. And on today's episode, I'm gonna go ahead and give you an update and future plans for all of the trucks, because people keep on getting confused with all the trucks that I have. So we're gonna go ahead and start with the 71, then go to the 62, then the 69. So yeah, let's go ahead and start this video. Alright guys, another thing is that whenever I got this truck, it was last year. I did not have a YouTube channel. I'm sorry about that. I put a bunch of stuff into this truck, but you can go ahead and click right here on the side of the video and you can go ahead and see all the stuff I put into the truck, all the money I spent, and all like the future things I'm gonna go ahead and do. All right guys, so we're gonna go ahead and start off the video with the 1971 C10 right here. This is my pride and joy, my Pegasus, the one I've been working on for a really long time. But yeah, so let me go ahead and tell you what are the future updates and plans, because we already have them set in stone, so we just have to execute them. So the first thing is, if you look down here, you can see that we have this white bumper. And you can see that it's super freaking ugly. It's all rusted out, and I feel like this is one of like the key things that makes this truck look really ugly or nice, cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this in one video, hopefully like the next one or the one after that. We're gonna go ahead and take off the front bumper and paint it white all over again, so we can see how it looks, because we're not sure we should keep the bumper painted or leave it, or buy a new chrome one that was like $200. So yeah, that's the first thing we're gonna go ahead and do. Then after that, you can see that it's all white. We're gonna go ahead and paint it. We might stick with white again, and then after that we're gonna go ahead and get some Cooper Cobra's tires and some really cool rims. That's what's going on with this truck right now. And also guys, another thing we're gonna go ahead and do in the future is we're gonna take off this inline 6, because it's 292 inline 6, and we're gonna go ahead and take it out, throw that junk away. You can see it looks really cool. We're gonna go ahead and buy a 350 V8, the same one that's on the 62. And we're gonna go ahead and slap it on once this engine goes out, because like this engine is leaking too much oil all over the place. Like every time I drive it, it's always leaking oil. I'm not sure if it's because it's making too much crank pressure, but it's always puking out oil from all over the place. It's not a lot, but it's still like a lot to like, it concerns me. I want this truck to break down right now. So we're gonna go ahead and put the 50 V8 we're actually like looking for right now. I'm probably gonna see if I can get a brand new one. I'm gonna see if I can spend like around $3,000 on it. If not, we're gonna go to the junkyard and go ahead and get one out from an old car, recone it a little bit, and like make sure like it's all clean, take out any of the junk, put a cam in it so it can be choppy, and then like after that, this one will be done, because I think we're gonna go ahead and put the engine before we get painted. I'm not too sure about that, but I'm gonna see. But the thing is, but it's gonna have a new engine like soon. And if anything, I'll probably keep this engine like see if I can turbo or like put some bigger internals in it, because like I know like these engines, these 4.8 292s make a lot of power like when you build them up. So maybe we'll put some forged rods and all that in there. Drag racing. But yeah, so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take out this engine like soon and put a new one in there. But yeah guys, that's it for the 71. Let's go ahead and move up to the 62. Alright guys, so this is my 1962 C10. You can see that we've done a bunch of work to it. First of all, whenever I first got the truck, I actually blew up the engine in the same day. My bad. It was squirting oil all over the place and I didn't realize it. So when we blew up that engine, we went ahead and bought a 350, and like we've done some work to the engine. You can see we put like new valve covers, a new air filter, a new carburetor with the spacer or adapter basically. And we've also went ahead and put the rims from the 69 C10. They look a little bit weird because it doesn't fit this truck, but it makes it look way more tall. But basically guys, the future plans for this truck is we're gonna go ahead and see if we can buy the wood for it. We're gonna go ahead and put all the wood in the back because it looks ugly right now with no wood. And also I wasn't able to take it to the car meet last video. It was not engaging in the transmission, so I had to figure that out. And once it did engage, after 20 miles an hour, it started backfiring a lot. So I have to go ahead and check out the distributor and realign it so you can make sure it's sparking correctly. That's the only thing that's wrong with it. Another thing that I'm having is that it keeps on overheating a little bit. Like temperature goes up to 220. I put a 160 thermostat on it, but it still hasn't resolved. So I'm probably gonna see if I can buy a new radiator, because I feel like this one's all rusted out. It's not letting water flow correctly, and we're gonna see what happens there. But yeah, so basically this truck is like we gotta get it restored. We're gonna go ahead and fix the inside, put radios in it, make some custom subwoofer boxes like we did for the 71. If you remember, I told you all about it. Two 10-inch kickers with I believe it's a 1200 watt kicker, so kicker amp. I think we're gonna go ahead and get new mirrors, as you can see right there. I like how like the door opens all the way, opens a lot. We're gonna go put a new speakers in there. We're gonna go ahead and change out the steering wheel because this one's ugly. I like the ones from the we have on 71, so we're gonna go ahead and switch that out. And something I already started doing, guys, sorry it's a little bit messy here because like we've been working on it like crazy. I'm gonna put all the gauges because like this one's a temperature gauge, as you can see right there, and like this one's my I just have it on here. This is my my RPM gauge, but I'm gonna have to get one that's actually gonna fit right there, because I'm gonna get the one that has like 3 on it, and I want it to look cool. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. I think we might repaint the inside of it like a purple again, because I like how the purple looks. And so we're gonna go ahead and do that for this truck, and also get new seats because these seats are ugly. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. And something, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do probably with this truck is I'm probably gonna see if I can put the fuel tank in the back of the bed, because I've seen like trucks converted like that. And maybe if we do that, I'm probably gonna see if we can put a subwoofer box in there, or like a subwoofer and all that in the back, so we'll have more room. Because like on the 71 C10, I remember that whenever I was building it, it was super freaking close. Like the speaker was like that much away from like the seat. And like I'm scared like whenever like we like run bass all the way up like it's supposed to be, it's gonna blow up, break the speaker, blow it up. So we're gonna go ahead and see if we can do that in the future. Swap the tank to the back of the bed, because I feel like it'll look cooler, cleaner. We can go ahead and take away the hole where you put the gas. But yeah, guys, so this is what we're gonna do with this one. We're gonna keep this one for a while. We're gonna go see if we can just restore like the bed, restore all of the inside, and we're actually gonna leave it like that for with the paint for right now, because I feel like it looks pretty cool. You can see it yourself. But that's our future plan with this truck. All right, guys, so this is my 1969 C10, by the way. This is the truck that I first posted my video on, like whenever I got working and all that. But basically, where is it? You can see that it's really stock. We haven't changed anything on it. It's 252 inline 6 stock, and like it works really good. Like we drive it, we don't drive it as much as we like, but we drive it a lot. So we went ahead and painted it. I know you can't really see it, guys, but it actually has like a fresh paint of clear coat. It's just that I haven't washed it in a while because it gets really dusty here. And also, those are not the tires that come with their wheels. Those are the ones from the 62. But since we took it to the event, we had to put some smaller tires on it because these are all blown out. So we just went ahead and switched it. All right, guys, so we're gonna go. We actually went ahead and put a new fuel tank in it because they did not come with the fuel tank. It came with the freaking gasoline can. But oh well, we went ahead and put a fuel tank in. We put new door handles. We went ahead and changed out all the lights, the headlights. We did a custom bumper, which is really cool. It came out really cool. And also, what's the other thing I've done? Basically like maintenance on it. But you guys, I actually have some news. I'm probably gonna end up selling this truck soon, because like I don't see the point of having like the 2 model years. I like the step side more than the square body. So we're gonna go ahead and see if we can sell this one off, so we can go ahead and get a little bit more money, so we can put more money into that one, the 71 and the 62. But I'll keep y'all updated when I do post the result, in case one of y'all is interested in it. All right, guys, so that's all the updates I have for my 3 trucks, the 1971, the 1962, and the 1969. But yeah, so those are the plans. We're probably gonna end up selling the 69 right back with me, but I'll keep y'all updated in case y'all are interested. And also, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so it can help me out and put more videos every week. I'll see you all next time.